All right, if you need to change the time on any Emerson microwave, it's fairly simple to do. So just keep in mind it does not have AM or PM. So keep an eye on the control and then look at where it says clock so we can see it here. And so let's say, for example, we're going to change the time to 3:42. So any time from 1 to 9, you would put a 0 in front of it first. So what do I say? We'll say 3:22. All right, and again, it doesn't matter if it's AM or PM. So clock, and then I'd go 0 first, 0, 3, 22, and then hit clock again. And you know it's set when these two little dots are blinking. And of course 3:22 can represent AM or PM, just depends on if it's day or night. All right, now if I want to change it, say, to 12:55, you would put a 1, of course, because any times between 10 and 12, 10, 11, and 12, of course you're going to put the 1 instead of the 0. So clock, and then 12, 1, 2, and then 55, 5, 5, and then hit clock again, and it's set. All right, and that is how you change the time on any Emerson microwave.